Hi, this is Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically hide dogs and show dogs on your Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The dog on a Mac computer allows you to select application for quick access along the bottom of your screen. From web browser to favorites such as Pages and iTunes, you can customize your dog to ensure you can open anything quickly and easy. And what if you want to hide your dog on your MacBook? You want to make your MacBook screen look full? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our system preferences on our MacBook. You can open your system preferences in here. Now you can go to dock and menu bar. Click on dock and menu bar, and here on dock and menu bar section you'll find there is an option automatically hide and show the dog. You can just click on the checklist on here. You can give the checklist on here. So now as you can see, the dog on your MacBook is disappeared or hiding, and you want to make it show. You want to choose your dog. You can just slide your pointer to the bottom of your screen on MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to hide and show dog automatically on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.